What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we have a new topic to talk about, and we have like 10 more different questions to ask each other. So Mama will first of all ask me the questions, then I will answer back with some different questions for her. So in today's video, Mama will ask me the questions like society, what do you think about kids of my age, and many different things. So Mom, what's the first question that you want to ask me?
Good evening, my people. Good evening. Good evening. So I want to ask my son question today. How he see me as his mother?
Okay, so I don't know how other people see my mother, but me, I see my mother as a good, take caring woman. She always show me love in many different ways. She's an hard worker. She has worked for more than 20 years non-stop, and yeah, and that's history. No, there is many different things that I want to say, but it will be a lot. So what's the other question that you want to ask now?
So the other question is that, David, so which advice you want to give children of your mates, your age group? Which advice you want to give them now? Like all these children where they go, they smoke, where they go, they drink, 13 years, 14 years. Which advice you want to give them now?
Well, children of my age, most of them are different, from me, from the way I grew up. I think like most of, like we live in Italy, so Oyibo have grew up differently. I don't know, but something that like the children of our age should learn today is respect towards people who are older than you, especially your parents, people who born you, people who are providing for you. Like, cause I see that most of the kids of my age now, they are in communities, because the parents can't be in their life, because of working or because they do not care. But children who behave wrong, parents will move them out in a community. In this community, you will not have food, like food that you want. You will sleep with other people inside.
So it's good for parents so it could make parents it could make mothers they take care of their children very well.
Yeah, I think like mothers should take very like should care about the children a lot, because at the end of the day you give life to another human being. So you have to have that responsibility. Mom, mother, father, anyone, even that if it's not your bloodline, if you have that role of responsibility, you have to take it one way or another. If you don't take it, you are a useless human being.
So it could make children they respect their mother and father.
I think that yes, I think that children should respect their mother and father. Always respect their mother and father, but if there is something that the mother or father did to them, it's always not good to hate on them, but it's good to avoid them. Or like grow up maybe with an auntie or something like that. Someone who loves you and take care of you.
So which advice you want to give children? That way all those children they carry handset, maybe 10 when their parents they give 10 years phone. It could make parents, it could make mother they give pikin phone. The pikin never agree, they give them phone 10 years.
I mean, everybody think very differently. I know people who think different from me. I know people who think the same as me. But from my mindset, I think at 14 is the best age that you can have handset. Not every hour of the day, not from morning to night. I think you should stop, because no, we are in the real world. We are not in the fake world. Don't use handset like that, because it will ruin your eyes. It will ruin your life too, because a lot of people have killed themselves over internet, because a lot of other people bully them online, bully them. They tell them, kill yourself, or you are ugly. Nobody needs you in this world, and our friends, and that's what happened a lot in this society. I've seen a lot of people who have been bullied over the social media, and yes, that's really bad. Like what do you think about kids?
So for me, it's very bad. My advice I want to tell my son, because my son now is a very good boy, he's a very good son, he dey behave well. So I dey tell children of his age make dem behave well. So e good make sure they go school, make dem study very well, abi?
I think yes.
It's very important for children to go
I
to
had
school.
my first phone when I was 14, so that's maybe when I will start a family. I want my children the same way to have a phone at 14, but of course they have to have their mind of their own already before they have an answer.
So you go not make children respect their mother, respect their father, and respect their senior ones, abi?
Yes.
It's very important.
Yes, it's very, very
so,
important.
I want make you advise children of your age group, give them advice so that when they still grow, they don't go depart for that advice. So advise them.
Well, what I can say, cause nobody is perfect. No, always try to improve yourself. Try to make your life better and make others' life people better. Cause like you are going to school. Don't just focus on one good grade. Try to do more. That's what you need to expect from your life. To do more, to higher up always, to level up. Cause that's what you are supposed to do. Level up always. Be great. Accomplish many different things, not just one thing.
So for me, I want to give advice for parents, because most children, they go school, the children, some parents, they force their children, then go school by force.
That's true.
So what you want to talk about that one? Say if you go make a force our children then go school, yes or no?
Well, what do I think? I think everybody should learn, but I think nobody should be forced to learn, because that's different. That's two different things. Nowadays they're doing a lot of homeschooling. They're teaching them from home, and what do I think? You should not be forcing your children to go to school, and especially choosing the school for them. Anyone can choose the school where they want to go. Like, I have many different options. I chose one school because I want to accomplish different things from maybe other people want to accomplish. I've seen a lot of cases when parents choose the school for the kids and the kids go bad at school, or maybe they are skipping school, they are skipping classes. They start smoking because they're depressed. And some people don't want to go to school because they might get bullied when they are at school. They might get bullied. They don't find their classmates. Their classmates don't want to talk to them. The teachers are really bad. You never know what's the meaning.
So which advice you want make advise parents now? Make you tell what now if you tell other mothers. So give me so that I go first to talk to parents.
Something that you.
So I want make you ask me question now as your mother, so that I will first advise other parents to. So tell me so I will fit tell them.
Okay, so I want to ask you, what do you think about parents that give up on teaching their children because their children they don't want to understand? What do you think about those parents?
Wetin next time be say some parents no dey serious. They want to born, they are not serious of their children. Some want to born 5, they will depend on government. Some want to born 10, they will depend on government. Before you go born pikin, you go think very well. So I wan take care of their children. You know, so that government go take care of your children. If na one you wan born, you born. If na 2 you wan born, you born. But no be say born food everywhere. So it's very bad to born children food everywhere. Born one, whether na 2 girls or 2 boys, anywhere you go fit born, na you go born. So that is my advice to parents.
Okay. What do you think? When you, because we have seen so many children doing bad stuff. We are seeing a lot of youngins doing. Like, what do you think about those children that you see them outside, they're smoking, and you know their parent too? What do you think about those?
What I think say, because most of their mothers have not dey serious, so they always want, because they want get money, go invest for Africa. They want go build mansion. Now corona don dey everywhere. Nobody know when you go die. So those parents, they no wan take care of their children. Maybe their pikin say, "Mama, give me €1." They go say, "No, money no dey." Mama give some. They go dey beat the children. They no care. So then most of them, the government dey seize their children. I don see people say government dey punish their children.
I wanted to ask you this. What do you think about kids going to like government putting kids into community, into care? What do you think? Is it wrong or is it?
It's very, very wrong, because those mothers not dey serious, because they just born and abandon the children. They don't care. So that's why if you see that most children are there for government hand, so they pass through the government. So my advice say, make every mother be careful, take care of your children. Born when you go fit train. If na 1, if na 2, if na 3, don't you know say you go fit take. And it dey very important, make parents take care of their children. Very important.
Well,
that's my advice to them. So make it not just born, put the pikin for the street. because I remember when I go UK, I see one woman with a package with 5 children, she dey cry. So it's very important, if you know say you no go fit born, and I see dey beg fathers, make you dey unite with your wife, take care of your children, whether na 2 girls or na 2 boys make una unite together, make una just not born on
I want to stop you real quick. I want to ask you this, controversial question, that people ask a lot. What do you think a father should do in the family? What do you think about this? Because many women think in different ways. What do you think?
Father na the head of the family. The father should take care of his children very well. Before you know say you go born, take care of the pikin very well. The father must provide for the family, and the wife too go help the wife go still help the man to take care of the children. The only no be say na only the man go dey work, the wife go dey work. Dem go unite together. That's why when we say dem go born. If na one dem go born, dem go born. If na two dem go born. Don't say you go born, you go abandon the children, go stay somewhere. Only the woman go dey train pikin. After the children don go say this is my son, this is my daughter. Why should not take care of that children? So it's very important for two of them to unite together as husband and wife. You understand?
It's true.
So my people, now wetin I want, na the advice I wan give today to everybody. So we wan close this video. So make una stay fine and remain blessed. Yeah. So till our next video.
So I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Please share the video to your friends and tell your friends to share them with their family, with everybody. Comment down below what do you want us to do next. If you have different questions, just be free to ask. In a small amount of time we will put our email down below, so if you want to email us something, anything, you can do it. Please subscribe, like I said, share the video, comment down below. We see you guys next.
Bye.